Hi, thank you for your purchase from our Etsy shop, The Clock Peddler. This video is to show you the proper way to unpack, set up, and run your Welch Lucca model parlor clock.
When you receive the clock, it will be wrapped in bubble wrap along with a pendulum and key, which will be packaged separately inside the case. Carefully unwrap without tugging or pulling on the material to avoid damage. The pendulum rod inside will be disabled with a rubber band and a thumbtack. Just remove the thumbtack from the bottom and then take off the rubber band. Hang the pendulum from the hook right behind the dial and then proceed to winding. The clock will be fully wound when you do receive it. The right hand side is for time and it winds counterclockwise. It is fully wound now. The left hand side is for the strike and it winds also counterclockwise. So just wind it till it feels full to you. You're better off underwinding than overwinding and breaking the mainspring. To set the hands, you go clockwise. As you approach the hour, slow down, allow it to preset, and let it strike. Continue on until you get to the correct time. It will strike only on the hour. There's also a small lever underneath, a little wire that sticks down. If you lift that one time, it will advance the strike by 1 hour. Keep doing that till you reach where the hands read. Now it just struck 5, but the hand reads 3. So I'm actually just going to move the hand gently to 5. And then coming back around, bringing it up to the hour. So that's set up correctly. Starting it is simply just a simple push like that. The clock does need to be on a level, smooth surface so it doesn't rock. The clock has been keeping actually very good time, but if you do need to adjust the timing, that is done on the pendulum. There's a small nut here that raises or lowers the pendulum bob. By raising it up higher, it will make the clock run faster. By lowering it, will make it run slower. Small increments are best, half a turn or 1 rotation of the nut at a time. As far as maintenance goes, there's not a lot. Every couple of years it should be serviced by a clock professional to have it lubricated and adjusted. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our Etsy shop and we will do our best to help you. Thank you for shopping from our Etsy shop.